All right, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Apple plan, the FedEx plan, the GS plan, okay, and of course, STLD. The point in this video I'm going to talk about is that, even though the market is choppy, if you have good plans, you can make money. And even when you're correct, sometimes you have to, things aren't working out, there's not enough power, one has to take profits and run for the hills, right? Or reverse the trade, right? So let's start off with Apple here. Again, this is Power Trigger Trade Sandro here. Okay, so we're gonna look at Apple here. I'm gonna click on this chart. And this I posted on StockTwits here, right? So I'll click on the chart, click on it again, and if Apple was to show the correct power, I was looking to go long this, to really hold this stock for some sizable gains. Right now, and I also mentioned at the time too, this is before the this plan was made on November the 8th, just one day before the elections, that we would test that. So we were able to buy, the bounce area. But you know what? The power, the follow through, this confirmed again at the 110 area. The follow through was weak. And it opened up today, and you could just, while the market was strong, Apple didn't show the power and so forth. I exited this for small gains. And that's going to happen. Again, I'm going to be looking for a re-entry signal, but just to show you, people, that Apple, I said, wasn't the really best. But I give it, it was set up. If it showed the power, it's more like a bottom reversal play. It's not trending as well as something like a Goldman Sachs. So let's give you an example, people. This is why you want to follow me, people, on the Apple board. I want to talk about. Well, let's take a look at stocks like FedEx, right? So this is a plan that did very, very well before the election as well, and then gave another entry signal. And you can see that these December 16 180 calls did very well. I've also made an additional plan. People could have used different options, and I made revisions to the targets. But again, in this choppy market, this was a profitable trade. All right, so let me close this up here. And what was a huge monster winner was a trade I posted, and this again, imagine. This is in a choppy market conditions. Goldman Sachs. So I'll click on this here. And, this thing here, once this broke up into the 180 area, this thing took off. This had a high of 202. A huge move, a huge 20-point move. Now, again, this was identified in very choppy market conditions, but it was one of the reasons why I didn't believe this market was bearish, and there was people having a lot of fear before the election. Again, strong identification skills is key, and that's what Power Trigger Trade has: strong identification skills. A lot stronger than even one of the best traders, in the world. And I don't want to get into that, but there's going to be another video if you want to check out. I'm going to really show an example of the two situations. But now let's take a look at the STLD. So no matter what, in these choppy market conditions, I identified some great trades. Apple was a small gainer for me, very small gainer. So whether you took STLD, here's the STLD trade plan. Look at this, people. Even in these market conditions, and even in the election, what you're looking at is this was a breakout in the 28 area, but the stock is $4 higher. These December 28 calls up quite a bit of money. This is already close to one of the targets, a lot faster than what I was expecting. Again, this is high identification skills, people. In a very choppy market conditions, anybody can pick winners in trending markets. And these are 100% gain option gains. Do you know what the gains were in Goldman Sachs? 400%, people. 600%. Who says options are no good? If you don't know, listen to me. If you don't know what you're doing, if you don't understand how to identify breakout stocks, see, breakout expert with stock options is my main focus. Follow my stream, but I'm showing you that See, I give instructions, trigger points, volume analysis, all on the chart for you to read. And if you study and you follow me, you'll see, you'll catch, and you're able to take my trades. You're gonna make some nice profits. All right. So there you have it, people. My review. And then, oh, by the way, the SPY. Another thing. You should check this, what I said over here. But this is exactly what happened. We did confirm we are going to be testing 220. I said we're going to be choppy. Exactly what did the market do today? I says trade the right setups. Well, FedEx is a great setup. You know, if you didn't, I've mentioned it many times. Let's go back on my stream. But anyway, check out what I said on my SPY update here. Okay, check it out, people. Click on it. But I mean, I gave the signal. I even told people right here on November the 9th, FedEx, are you focusing on this plan, people? As is giving you another chance? I am big time. Again, even in choppy markets, FedEx is doing very well. Proper identification of the right kind of stocks, and if they continue to act right, you can easily hold. FedEx was an easy hold, right? Apple was not, but Apple gave it a chance to get out. Small break-even trade, small profits. STLD, large profits. Right? FedEx, STLD. Goldman Sachs, huge winners. These were there was a few others that I picked honestly out of five ideas. Every one triggered in these choppy markets, they produced neither a small gain to a large win, to a break even. That means no losers. There you have it, people. Powerful analysis. Follow my streams. Read what I'm saying. Learn. Open your mind. Open your eyes. Check out my next video as I show the difference between what I've been doing and Dan Zanger. A lot of people with small accounts will not be able to make money. I'm helping people for free, if they want to pay attention, open their mind. No one's supposed to take the trades. You're supposed to learn. But if you follow me enough, you're going to want to take these trades. You're going to want to make money. Thanks for listening. Like the video.